Well, Bellicum Pharmaceuticals is a clinical stage biotechnology company that's developing cell therapies to treat cancer and other life-threatening diseases. Our core technology is called chemical induction of dimerization, which was invented by my co-founder, David Spencer. If you give a drug and there's a side effect, you just stop giving the drug, and after a few days, the side effects usually will go away. But if you give a cell therapy and there's a serious side effect, all those cells often not only don't go away, but they may proliferate. In order to be safe, cell therapy needs a safety switch that allows the doctor to kill the cells if they veer off and start causing harm to a patient. Bellicum Pharmaceuticals has a safety switch that, when incorporated into cells and triggered using our small molecule AP1903, can terminate a cell therapy within minutes. Currently, when a patient gets a bone marrow transplantation from a poorly matched donor, they're very likely going to get a complication called graft versus host disease. What's exciting about Bellicum's technology is if our cell therapy suicide safety switch is incorporated into the cells, the transplanted cells, before they're given to these patients, then when this serious side effect develops, with a single dose of our dimerizer activating drug, AP1903, we can eliminate the bad cells that are causing graft versus host disease while preserving the remaining good cells that are providing all the benefits of the transplant to the patient. This is a very exciting, potentially new way to make bone marrow transplants more safer for patients. In our first studies in humans that was published in the New England Journal of Medicine, young patients who were getting bone marrow transplantation who developed graft versus host disease, in which the transplant incorporated our caspicide technology, received the small molecule AP1903 when the side effect developed, and 90% of the cells were killed within 30 minutes. In our second product, we use our core CID technology to create a switch that, when turned on with the administration of our small molecule AP1903, can activate the immune system to trigger a powerful immune response. In this product that we've developed, we're targeting advanced prostate cancer. By altering the composition of the proteins that we introduce into these cells, we can target other cancers. We can target breast cancer, lung cancer, sarcomas. So the technology could be broadly applicable to cancer in general. But in our first trials, we treated patients with advanced prostate cancer, and we're moving our products into additional clinical trials that we hope will be the stepping stone to FDA approval. And we're very excited about our technology, what we believe it can do, and the exciting results we've seen so far with it. The Houston Technology Center not only played a role in helping us in our early financing efforts, but more recently, the Houston Technology Center has provided space for Bellicum while we secured and are currently building our permanent facilities. For most of the past year now, we've been housed here, and the company's actually made great strides forward in its quest to change medicine.